What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today I'm going to show you a really good setup on Tesla and on Facebook that could have made you money if you just followed the plan. Check it out. Guys, before we move any further, free link to the Discord in the comment section and description section. Also, we're having a special going on. It ends on the 31st. All right. You have two ways of joining us at the DTC. You have three ways, really. You have the free version, you have the $24.99 a month, and then you have the DTC Pro version, which is the yearly plan that gets you access to the Discord, just like the DTC Lite, but it also gets you access to the dashboard with all our courses, all our videos, everything. Plus, now until December 31st, we're going to pay for your scanners for a whole year. So you're going to sign up for DTC Pro. You're going to go through our courses. You're going to go, as soon as you sign up, boom, we're going to pay for your scanners for the whole year. All right. So you're going to want to take advantage of that. So link in the description and comment section. And last, before we move any further, remember that right now, Webull has a special going on where you're going to get 5 free stocks just for signing up and depositing any amount of money into your account. So take advantage of that. Webull link in the description and comment section. All right, guys, let's go ahead and jump into the video. All right, guys, so let's jump into this day here today. I'm going to show you the trade I took on Tesla, and I'm going to show you a really nice setup on Facebook. So first things first, today in the morning, I honestly did not expect this kind of move out of the SPY. And I don't think I'm the only one that was surprised and caught off guard by this move on the SPY. The SPY, I mean, you got to really zoom in here and look at this move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 huge days on the SPY. 5 huge days on the SPY. And I'm pretty sure that just about no one with some good experience, let's say 5 years at least of experience trading, would have expected this kind of move on the SPY today. I think most people would have expected an inside day or an inside day or two before on Wednesday, maybe starting to get the move Thursday, and then Friday getting us that big move through all-time highs between Thursday or Friday. That's what I would have expected on the SPY myself and what I came into the expecting. So because of that, this morning I was completely caught off guard on multiple things. This morning we went over the potential setup right here on the SPY. Let me erase these fib levels, redraw them, because right here we had a really, really nice setup, and I went over it on the mic, and any other time I would have gone after it, and I didn't because, well, I just didn't believe in it. I didn't believe in it. We had really nice low volume consolidation on a pullback into VWAP, 9 AMA, 23.6 Fibonacci, and that 473 zone. And look at what the SPY did off of that level. Oh, what? 475.25 right now. New all-time highs in the SPY. Insanity. Insanity, fully unexpected. And because of that, I didn't think that would happen today. I missed out on the SPY, and I missed out on the big move on Tesla. Even though it wasn't for a lack of effort, my trade on Tesla today, let's zoom backwards here a little bit and take a look at what was going on. This morning, right off the bell, Tesla pushed up, put in that nasty candle here, pulled in, and then it's like Tesla was like, all right, SPY, I know you're not going to do anything. Boop. Gets that nasty candle back under VWAP, starts to trade sideways. Even you can even go as far as saying it had a little bit of a bear flag formation going here under VWAP and that 9 AMA. But what happened? When the SPY did not break down, check it out. When the SPY did not break down, and as a matter of fact, held this 9 AMA VWAP zone, what did Tesla do? Boom. Huge candle right through VWAP. Huge candle. This candle went from 1108. I'm sorry, from 1008 to 10, from 1082, from 1083, from 1083 to 1093. That's a huge candle. And then it pulled in. I was trying to get some calls on Tesla when this second candle started to form down here, a little bit closer to my stop. No dice, it went and pushed up higher without me. Went ahead, redrew fib levels, said I was going to be watching for that 1090 zone to hold support on pullbacks. Finally, we get that pullback right here, and we get that lining up with the 23.6 fib and 9 AMA. I stepped in there, got long some call options. Long at 10:18 a.m. Tesla call options, 1100 strike, December 13th expiration. in at, sorry, December 31st expiration, in at 31.85. Stop if Tesla got under 10.95, the support zone I was eyeing. Taking some profits 34 and then flat 36.60. I didn't want to overstay my welcome. I simply did not want to overstay my welcome. You know, we got a quick little pop. Boom, first take profit came off in here. Second take profit came off as we tore through the high day. And that was it. I was done. I was done. I had tremendous trust issues because I did not expect the market to make the move it did today at all. And because it made moves that were not expected by me, I could only trade what I could see on the chart with not a whole lot of conviction. With not a whole lot of conviction, meaning I didn't want to overstay my welcome because I figured and I feared that at any point in time we can get a nasty pullback. You know, we could get one. And Tesla hasn't given you a nasty pullback. It's consolidating now above this high. And the SPY is still pushing up higher. Now we're finally getting a little pullback on the SPY. It's just pure insanity out here. So now this leads you to believe like, okay, well, today's Monday. The SPY's made a massive move today. 5th day in a row. What's left for the rest of the week? Nobody knows. No one knows. I would have thought today, tomorrow, inside days, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, moves higher. Then who knows what's going to happen now? Now, I want to show you a quick little nice setup that we found on Facebook earlier when I think it was right before I entered the SPY trade, or right around the same time. We had a very nice bull flag set up on Facebook this morning. Really nice strong volume on the flagpole. Really small, nice consolidation volume throughout the flag formation. And as soon as you started to get that break out of the flag, bang, you started to get that volume increase and you got that extension higher. And then the volume started to dry off here, and right now we're just drifting. But that would have been a nice one with an entry either inside the flag or on the breakout of the flag here at 343. First take profit up here, 344.50s. And I mean, you've drifted yourself all the way up to 346. So not a bad setup at all. That was actually a really, really nice clean setup. And that's exactly how you want to see a bull flag form. You want to see big volume on your flagpole, decreasing volume on your flag setup. And then again, you want to see increasing volume as you break out of the flag. And in order for this thing to show you, or have conviction on continuation, you'd want to see continuous volume increase. We're not getting that. We're getting the opposite here on Facebook. So I'd be a little bit weary of that. But then again, the SPY is doing whatever the SPY wants to do today, so who knows? All right. All right, guys, so that's it for me today. If you enjoyed the video, if you found some value in it, please smash the like button for me. It goes a long way. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't and hit the notification bell. All right, and I hope to catch you in the Discord.